What is up, Flowmies and Homies? I'm Juliana, and today I'm going to teach you how to do some 2-beat drop spin variations. So the drop spin is a prerequisite. It's a 2-beat drop spin, and in order to do that, you're going to want to have the Flowstar spinning one direction, and then on the other side you're going to be catching it. And so this is the 2-beat, is you're going to catch it on the inside, you're going to bring it all the way up, and then you're going to let go with your hand on the other side of the Flowstar. So it'll look like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now that we know how to do the 2-beat drop spins, I just want to show you different variations that you can incorporate into your flow. Okay, so you can go under the leg, you can go under the leg standing, you can go behind your back, and you can also go over your head. There are so many different ways to do these drop spin variations, and you can always incorporate it just to do a little transition in your flows. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing!